There are few places in the world where the air is as clean as it is here in the Swiss Alps. While this air is virtually free of allergens, chemicals and pollution, the air we breathe in our cities and rural towns is full of pollutants from traffic, factories and agriculture. While outdoor air may be bad, indoor air is far worse. In fact, studies from the Environmental Protection Agency indicate that indoor levels of pollutants may be 2 to 5 times and occasionally more than 100 times higher than outdoor levels. And since we spend over 90% of our time indoors, indoor air quality is of particular importance to our health and comfort. While there are many steps you can take to improve indoor air quality, air cleaning can be one of the simplest. Many different brands of air cleaners promise to improve indoor air quality. Not all air cleaners, however, provide the exceptional performance of the IQAir HealthPro series. Based in Switzerland, a country noted for its keen sense of cleanliness, the IQAir Group has over 40 years of experience in indoor air cleaning solutions. IQAir products are used by the US military to safeguard sensitive electronics, by major pharmaceutical manufacturers to provide safe working environments for their employees, and by hospitals to protect critically ill patients from airborne infection. In fact, IQAir products are among the most used air cleaning systems in European hospitals. This is because IQAir's product philosophy is quite simple. Provide the most effective air cleaning solutions, never cut corners. Several technical terms come up when comparing air cleaning systems, but none is more prevalent and misused than HEPA technology. HEPA technology is used in hospital operating rooms, high-tech microchip manufacturing, and other critical environments. Several manufacturers state that their air cleaners use HEPA technology without providing HEPA performance. In fact, many HEPA-based household air cleaners advertise efficiencies of 99.97%. However, these claims are based on filter efficiency, not the total system efficiency of the air cleaner.
Most air cleaner manufacturers make filter efficiency claims of over 99%. Those refer to the efficiency of the filter inside the air cleaner, not the total system efficiency. Due to leakage, that total system efficiency is many times closer to 50%. IQAir, on the other hand, refers to efficiency in terms of total system efficiency only, and that efficiency is guaranteed at 99.5%. This means that the air returned to the room will be at least 99.5% clean.
IQAir's superior total system efficiency can be demonstrated with a laser particle counter, which detects microscopic particles as small as bacteria. Compared with 3 comparable air cleaners, the difference is obvious.
And this is where it stays.
While the other air cleaners filter out many of the particles, the HealthPro filters out virtually all of them.
We're down to 12,000. And this is where we go to 0. And it means that the air which is coming out of this air cleaner is very pure. When you now look again here, what we have in the air, it goes up immediately. We have now over 700,000, and the IQAir removes these particles virtually completely. Down to 500. Down to 0. Now that is clean air.
Another limitation of conventional HEPA air cleaners is that their filters are only rated at 0.3 microns. Yet 90% of all airborne particles found in homes and offices are smaller. Most air cleaner manufacturers make no performance claims for these important microscopic particles. IQAir guarantees that every HealthPro captures and retains at least 99.5% of all particles, even the smallest. That's because the HealthPro is the first air cleaner to pass the world's most stringent filtration test, EN 1822. With IQAir's EN 1822 certification, you can rely on your HealthPro to filter more allergens and more pollutants than conventional air cleaners.
Most of the air cleaning industry is obsessed with 0.3 microns and larger, which represents less than 10% of all airborne particles. IQAir is obsessed with the filtration of all particles. Many recent studies have shown that it's these fine particles that penetrate deep into the lungs and cause the most damage to our immune system. The IQAir HealthPro is the world's first air cleaner to pass the EN 1822 filter test, which certifies absolute minimum filtration efficiency for all particles, even those smaller than 0.3 microns. As a result, the IQAir HealthPro filters more allergens and pollution particles than any other room air cleaner.
How does the IQAir HealthPro series work? The HealthPro provides a unique and ideal circulation pattern. Dirty air is drawn in through the bottom of the device, and the cleaned air flows out of the top. IQAir's unique modular design allows for multiple filter stages. First, the air passes through the Premax pre-filter, which is significantly larger and more efficient than most air cleaner pre-filters. The Premax is so efficient that it removes over 90% of all dust mass, significantly extending the life of the other filters in the system. The HealthPro series uses the highest powered fan in its class, which creates enough airflow to clean the air in a 1,000 square foot room. And because it is housed in the center of the HealthPro, between the noise-absorbing filters, it operates with minimum noise. Next, the HealthPro Plus model features the V5 cell, the most advanced gas and odor control filter on the market. While most air cleaners use only activated carbon pads, the V5 cell combines two-stage granular filtration with the airflow advantage of its V-shaped chambers. The activated carbon removes gaseous molecules by a physical process called adsorption, which physically binds the molecules within its porous carbon structure. The second part of the HealthPro Plus unique gas and odor filter blend is the activated alumina. This media first physically binds selected contaminant molecules and then chemically destroys them through an oxidation process. IQAir's two-stage gas filtration provides excellent, wide-range removal of chemicals and odors, such as tobacco smoke and cooking odors. In the final filtration stage, air passes through the cleanroom grade hyper-HEPA filter. A patented three-dimensional sealing mechanism called 3D Ultra Seal ensures that all air drawn in by the air cleaner actually passes through the hyper-HEPA filter. This virtually eliminates the leakage that can cause a 50% drop in performance in other air cleaners. The hyper-HEPA filter consists of over 40 square feet of tightly pleated HEPA paper. It filters the minutest particles such as allergens, viruses, and bacteria. The HealthPro's even flow 320-degree diffuser returns clean, filtered air to the room